Sick of missing sales while your phone rings off the hook, reps burn out on repetitive calls, and leads slip through during off hours? Why don't you solve all these problems using just one tool? Unlock Retell AI voice agent magic to build hyper-realistic AI receptionist that instantly qualifies leads, book appointments, and handle FAQs with your knowledge base. It also logs everything to CRM and scales 24/7 across multiple numbers with no code setup. And the best part is it uses hyper-realistic voices which will skyrocket your conversations. So in this video, I will build a delivery customer support while I walk you through Retell AI and how to use it. First off, go to retellai.com and try the free version by logging in. So click on this login button. Either use your email address or continue with Google. You'll have to enter your phone number as well. Once you're done verifying your phone number, you'll end up on this page where you have to tell or just select how you plan to use Retell and click on the get started button. So this is the dashboard, and if you're on free trial, you'll get credit worth of $10 and each call takes up to 20 cents, I guess. So you can first try out the platform and decide whether or not you want to buy a subscription. So first, let's start with creating an agent. So simply click on this create an agent button and select the type of agent that you want to create. We are going to create a voice agent, and here you can select the agent type, whether you want a conversational flow, a single prompt agent, a multi-prompt agent. It is advisable to go with the conversation flow one because that's more efficient if you're using a voice agent as your customer support. Next, we'll select a template, or you can even start from blank. I'm going to choose the delivery customer support template and click on the create button. Now you'll end up on this page here, which is the agent creation view, where you can see all the different flow of the agent. These are the conversation flow, which is automatically created because we are using a template. Now here are the agent settings. First off, you have the setting to change the language, and there are multiple languages. Then you can select the voice of agent by selecting it from here. Here you can preview the voice by clicking on this play button here, like this.
Hey, I'm Brian, ready to get going. Whatever you need, consider it done promptly. What are we working on right now?
And if you want to select that voice, you can simply click on this use voice button. So now I've selected the voice as well as the language. Now you have the execution mode of this agent, whether you want a flex mode or rigid mode. What rigid mode does, it follows the exact same flow as defined in here, but if you select the flex mode, you can ask your agent anything and it will reply as long as it's in the context of the flow. So there aren't any steps like that in the rigid mode. So I'm going to select the flex mode, and then here you have the prompt for your agent that is describing what it's doing and what's its role. So you can adjust it by giving a custom prompt instead. Next thing is that you can add a knowledge base for your agent, which will provide more context to your agent, and this is like a customization, so you can add in your order histories, your customer details for more personalized experience. Next, you have multiple agent settings like the speech settings, how quick do you want your agent to respond, whether or not there should be any background noise, etc. Then you have the transcription setting because each conversation will have a transcript, so you can change the setting for transcription here. Then you have the calling settings like the duration of the call and call if it's just left out there. Then you have the post data extraction, that is the settings for data retrieval, what all data do you want after the call is done. So you can add more data from here if you want. And then there is security and webhook settings, so I'm just going to keep it default. And then you can simply go ahead and test your agent by clicking on this test agent button, and here you can select whether you are testing the audio one or the chat one, and simply click on this test button to start the test. So let me show you a sample test.
Hello, this is Retell Delivery Customer Support Department. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to track one of my order.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you please provide the order ID you'd like to check the status for?
The order ID is 7387.
I've pulled up your order details. What would you like to know about your order?
So that was basically how it works. You have another option, that is the simulation, where you can test your agent by creating new test cases as well as do batch testing on your agent to make sure that it works under every criteria. So let me show you how you can create a test case. So click on this test case, and here you can name your test case whatever it is regarding to. So let's name this order status and enter in a user prompt which will describe how the user interacts with the agent. So this is my user interaction, and then you can describe the success criteria, that is how the agent should respond to this user interaction. So this is my success criteria, and here you can create dynamic variable as well, which can be used in multiple places. So just create a variable name and the test value. Now you have to save this, and to run it you can click on this test button here and then wait for it to test this scenario for you. So this is our test result, and it failed because there had been some technical issues. So you can check the test result by clicking on this button here, and it will show you the entire conversation that the agent had with the user. So there might be something missing in this template, so you can change it according to your use case and solve that issue. But for now, let me show you how you can publish this. So simply click on this publish button, and here you can add in the version name and description. Next, you have to select the phone number. So there are two options, that is the inbound phone number and the outbound phone number. So the inbound phone number is the number that will be used by the user to call you, and the outbound phone number is used by the agent to contact your customers. So we don't have any phone numbers right now, so we can just simply go and publish it. And in your agent dashboard, you can see this agent that is being published. Next, you have a few settings in this sidebar, that is this call history, which will show you all the calls. Here you have the status, user sentiment, from to, then the output of the session as well. Next, you have the chat history if you are using a chat agent, and lastly you have the analytics, where it will show you the various infographics like the call count, the average duration, latency, how many of them are successful, why were they connected, user sentiment, inbound call, outbound call, etc. So basically it's a little dashboard for your agent. Then you have the knowledge base settings here, from where you can add in your knowledge base, and this is the phone number option where you can add in your phone number and work with that. So that was basically how you can create your own personalized, customized agent that will be available 24/7, so you don't have to worry about picking up any sales call or missing any leads. Just Retell AI your way through